Okay, let's start with Milestone1 and Activity1. I have opened my Google Colab and going to create a new notebook. Okay, so here you go. So we're going to name this notebook as the Ryan PYD. Yeah, so the milestones. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to create everything in a single notebook. So I just put the notes. Yeah, this one is the adding the text. Yeah. Okay. The Milestone1 Activity1. Okay, and what are they? Let's have a look on the this project milestone SA activity. Yeah, SA. So Activity1 is okay. Here you go. Yeah, Activity1. We have 5 tasks. Yeah. Okay. So let me copy this project milestone1. Yeah, Activity1. Okay. Yeah. So here you go. Then after that, you need to load the data, which is from the COVID database. I also have already put the COVID database here. This one, yeah, the COVID data CSV. Okay, so you download and after that, upload to the yeah, here you go. You upload to the Google Colab. Yeah, so here, okay, maybe I will adjust the font, make it a little bit bigger. Okay, yeah, so here, upload. Yeah. After that, in the download, yeah, this one, COVID data. Yes. Okay. Be careful, yeah, that your data is not saved permanently. So if you continue another day, then you get an error. You cannot find the data set. That means that you need to re-upload again. Yeah, but all the notebooks will be saved. Okay. So I just close this one. Then after that, we're going to start. Yeah. Load the COVID-19 dataset using the Panda from the provided dataset. Yeah, but before that, you need to do some import. Yeah. Okay. So import the necessary library. Okay. So Milestone1, Activity1. Yeah. Loading the loading and exploration of the dataset. Yeah. Okay. So necessary import. Necessary library imports. Okay. Yeah. So what are they? The first is the Panda, and then Matplotlib, and then Seaborn. Okay. So import the Panda SPD. Yeah. Okay. Nice. Because this one is the autocomplete. Yeah. And then also the import the Matplotlib. Yeah. pyplot as a PLT. And then also NumPy already, Pandas already. Okay. After that, from date time, import date time. Yeah. After that, you're going to ignore warning. Yeah. Warning, filter warning. Okay. Ignore. Okay. But before that, you have to import the warnings. Okay. Yeah. So like this. Yeah. Warnings with S. There is an S. Okay, so this is necessary. Then you also may want to display the line number. Yeah. So wait the comment, the head comment, expanded comment. Okay, so in the tools. Okay, okay. Yeah. So go to the tools. After that setting. After that, go to the editors, and then we have the show the line numbers. Yeah. Okay. This is useful for referring if there is any error. Okay. Yeah. So run this. Okay. So libraries already been imported, and then we're going to continue with the loading the COVID-19 dataset. Yeah. Okay. So this one, number one. Yeah. Okay. So here we add the code. Yeah. Then after that, loading the COVID-19 dataset using Panda from the provider dataset. Okay, so we create the DF, yeah, PD, the Panda read CSV, COVID-19 CSV. Okay, this one is as the this one, yeah. You need to rename this. Okay, so copy the file name. Yeah, after that, okay, Control C. After that, change. Okay, yeah. Then after that, we going to test the DF, yeah. Okay, DF, and then after that, you also want to maybe display the info later, yeah. Okay, so run first, yeah. Okay, so orbit COVID data file not found, yeah. Okay, orbit COVID data.csv. Okay, I forgot to put CSV. Okay, run. Okay, yeah. So this data a little bit big, yeah. So this is showing you 358,838 rows, yeah, and 67 columns. Yeah, okay. So that's the quite large number of the row and column. Yeah. So sometimes you need to give time for the data to be loaded. Yeah. Otherwise, then your report will not be correctly shown all the records. Okay. Yeah. Display the first 5 and last 5 rows of the data frame. Yeah, this one is number 2. So you understand the command is either head or tail. Yeah. Okay. So df head. Yeah. Automatically 5, but if you want, you can also put like this. Yeah. df head 5, and then df tail 5 like this. Yeah. Okay. You run. Okay. This is the first 5 rows. Yeah. And yeah, maybe you want to put that in the separate uh, separate cell, so you will be able to see the uh, in a separate cell. Okay, I put like that. Okay, yeah. So tail run. Okay, then after that, the next is check for the missing value in the data set and decide a strategy to handle them. Yeah, so we're going to check the missing value. Okay, here you go. Okay, yeah, this one. So to check the missing value, you're going to use the few commands. The first is, of course, the is null sum. Yeah, but before that, you may want to info. Yeah, if you want. Yeah, df info. Okay, here you go. Yeah, DF info. Yeah, this is the column name. Yeah, there are 60. Yeah, okay, 60 six column. Okay, and then after that, the float is 62. Yeah, this is number, and then object 5. Yeah, okay. So this is the information about this data set. Total 67, non-null. Yeah, okay. Then now we're going to see if there are any null value in the data. So you run this. Yeah, df is null. Okay. Okay. Yes. So we have a few column that has a null value. Continent, yeah, 17,000, and then access 346, yeah, thousand. So that's quite many, yeah. And then other are 00. Total case is 38,210. So we have a few columns with the null value. Okay, and then after that, uh, the next instruction is to remove the columns with more than 90% of the missing value, and then convert the date column to the date time. Okay, remove the columns with more than 90% of the missing value. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so this is the instructions to remove the columns with more than 90% of the missing value. Okay, so what you're going to do is to calculate how many rows, and then also the we calculate the 90%. Yeah. The first is to set the threshold for the missing value. In this example is 90%. Yeah. Okay. So I set the threshold, yeah, which is 90%. Okay. So missing threshold is 0.9. Yeah. And then after that, drop the column if the last number of the missing value. Yeah. So this is the command. Yeah. So drop the column with the last number of the missing value. Yeah. Drop NA, the threshold is 1 minus missing threshold. Missing threshold is 0.9. Yeah. And then multiply by the length of the data frame with the axis 1. Yeah. This is based on the row. Yeah. Okay. This is the purpose is to drop. Yeah. Okay. After that, you want to keep because you see that actually we have the 67 row. Yeah. Okay. Let's do this first. Yeah. Let's do this. So the total data set just now was 358,837. Yeah, okay. So we're going to remove, yeah, drop NA and run. Okay. So after that, we can check by running again the same command. Yeah, this one. This one. Yeah, df is null. Is null. So this one is after running. Yeah, after dropping the columns with the, yeah, after dropping the columns with more than 90%. Yeah, okay, you run again one more time. Yeah. Okay. So now you have a yeah, less column, and what are they? You can also run again the df info. Yeah. df dot info. Okay, like this. Okay. Now you have only less. Yeah. Just now was 67 column. Now we have the 59 column. Yeah, 59 column, 67, meaning you drop 8 column. Yeah, with too many null value. So only left with 59 columns. But the row is still the same. Yeah, 358,838. Yeah, so 9 columns was removed. Yeah, okay, so I put here notes. Yeah, 9 columns. Okay, from 67 now left 50 uh 59. Yeah, on the left 59. Yeah, so meaning 8 columns were removed or dropped. Okay, yeah, so that's the so from these 58 columns for our analysis, we do not need all of them. Yeah, so we can keep the columns that we would like to keep. Yeah, so we want to filter. Yeah, okay. So it's not mentioned in the instruction, but I can suggest this column, yeah, to be kept. Okay, yeah. So later you can copy, yeah, ISO code, continent, location, date, yeah, total cases, yeah. Okay. So this I know that this column will be used for the further analysis in the next milestone. Yeah? So we don't need to keep so many columns, 59. Yeah. So we only keep this. Yeah. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 column. Okay. So yep. Okay. Then after that, you run again the f.info. Yeah. Like this. Then okay. Now we left only 17 column. The number of the row are still the same. Okay. So this is nicer. Yeah. So smaller data is better because faster, and then we don't need to keep the data that we don't really use. So all of these are changed in the data frame, meaning that your CSV file are not changed. Yeah? It's still the same, yeah, because we only change in the memory. Okay. So we only left with the keep this, yeah. Okay. Then after that, let's have a look on the here. Yeah. Convert the date column to the date time data type. Okay. This is the last T1. Okay. Convert, yeah. Date time here. Okay. Maybe you put the number plus 5. Okay. To convert the date column, yeah, actually Gemini already have completed for us. Yeah. df a date and then to date time. Yeah, okay. So we create a new column. The name is to date time. Yeah, okay. So now become the 18. Yeah, to date time. Oh, okay, sorry. So this is replace the existing one. Yeah, we're not creating the new column, but replace the existing column. Only change the date to the date time. So date time meaning that we can subtract, we can do the plus minus calculation, yeah, on the date time column. Okay, so with this, then we have completed the this activity one, milestone one. Yeah. this one. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. So okay. I will save first. Yeah. File save. Then we're going to continue with the activity 2 milestone.